Transform ordinary circles into a fun and easy 3D penguin craft that will bring a smile to your face. Find 2 round objects of different sizes and a blue marker. Find a white piece of paper, any size would work. I cut regular white paper into half. So this is the size I'm going for, but you can use definitely smaller or bigger, whatever you want. Then let's trace round object number 1. The smaller object or the smaller circle is going to be the head of the penguin, and let's ignore this glitter mess. That was a project. Anyhow, long story short, let's start tracing. So using your blue marker, trace all around. Beautiful. And now let's find your bigger round object and let's trace it as well. Let's place it right here and let's trace all around it. Moving on, we are going to create the face of the penguin. So we are going to draw an arch line going to the center, an arch line going back to the edge. Ready, steady, let's go. Well done. Now we are going to color the top of the penguin's head using a blue pencil, blue marker, blue crayon. Let's start around the edges. Once you are happy, then you can put your pencil down and we are going to create cute little face. Use your black marker to draw the eyes. I will draw a happy penguin with eyes closed, yet you can draw both eyes open. Let your creativity shine. Draw a triangle for the beak. Look how cute! Moving on to drawing cheeks. You know I'm a big fan of drawing cheeks, and this time I'm going to draw 2 arched lines. So line number 1 and line number 2. Let's color it in. Look how adorable. Let's do 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. And if you want, maybe we can also add this little detail on top. So I like to draw a raindrop upside down. Ready, steady. 1, 2 and 3. This is just a little tiny detail. Look how cute. I know I keep repeating myself, but I cannot get over this cuteness. Let's add a little bit of blue color to the lower body of our penguin. I'm going to use the same color we used the color the top part. And you know what? Actually, color only the edges of the circle because we will cover the penguin's belly anyhow. So maybe let's color 1/2 inch, or if you want you can color the whole penguin. But again, no need for that because the 3D piece will go right in the center. One way how you can test if you need to color in or not is using the same shape you use for the face to test if you need to color anymore, because I think we are done. Maybe if you just want to finish it, but I think I'm good as it is. Okay, beautiful. Before we give this penguin a dazzling makeover, let's draw snowflakes all around the happy penguin. I know this is a little bit tiring, isn't it? But hey, it will be cute, I promise. I think I am happy. So this is my happy penguin in Winter Wonderland. Let's move to the almost last step. We are going to get super busy right now because we need to create at least 6 circles. If you want the belly of the penguin be a little bit fuller, maybe you can go with 12, but for the sake of this video, we are going to do only 6. And there are 2 options. As always, I like to give you options. So option number 1, use the same object you used to create the face of the penguin. Simply trace it 6 times on a piece of paper. That's option number 1. Option number 2, let me just pull the whole drawer for you. Use a circle cutter. I'm going to go with this biggest one. This will change the way you or your kiddos or your grandkids or your students craft and design. I own these in few different sizes. Again, I got them on Amazon, but you can buy them almost anywhere. And then look at this magic. Get a paper, 1 piece of paper, let's insert it in and let's press it down. Ready, steady, go. And voila, you have 1 circle. Now we need to do this step at least 5 times or more, depending what you want. Let's get busy. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, you can do more circles. I'm going to go with 6. You may ask yourself, but how we will make the belly 3D? Well, let me show you. Circle number 1, fold it in half. Repeat the same step as many times as you need. I have 6 circles, so I'm going to fold 6 circles. If you have 12 circles, you are going to fold 12. You got a picture. Done. Now let's find your glue. I find glue sticks to work the best for this type of gluing, but if you have liquid glue, just use whatever you have at home. Take 1 piece and glue 1/2 of the circle to the other half. Continue until you have glued all the pieces together. Finally, apply a little bit more glue onto the belly of the penguin and glue the 3D belly on top. And just like that, the cutest 3D penguin craft is complete. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and creating with me. And I will see you on the next one. Ciao!